In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add arrows in Notion. Notion is a versatile tool that combines note-taking, task management, and database systems, which can be customized in countless ways. Adding arrows can help visually organize information and enhance the navigation experience for you and your team. So, let's dive in and learn how you can add arrows to your Notion page. First off, you'll want to start from the Notion homepage. This is your main hub, where you can access all the different databases and pages you've set up. Once you're on the homepage, it's time to select the specific database where you want to add these arrows. Picking the right page is crucial, as this will be the space where these visual elements will enhance your workflow and organizational structure. Now that you've chosen your database, look for a small cluster of 6 dots. You might find this by hovering over different sections of your page. Clicking on these 6 dots gives you the option to customize the section you're working on. This is an important step because it opens up the menu where you will access the next set of options you need. After clicking the 6 dots, you'll see the Edit icon. Clicking this icon is how you begin altering the section. It brings up various options that allow you to adjust and personalize the attributes of your page. Personalization in Notion is key because it lets you create a workspace that best suits your personal or team needs. Once you've accessed the edit options, look for the icons selection. This is where the magic happens because once you're in the icons menu, you have the opportunity to choose from a variety of icons. What you want to do next is to find and select an arrow icon. Icons are a great way to give visual cues, and using an arrow can significantly enhance directionality and understanding for anyone viewing the page. Finally, as a finishing touch, you can also choose a color for your arrow icon. Picking a color is more than just an aesthetic choice. It can help categorize different types of information or convey urgency or importance depending on the color you select. This step not only makes your workspace more visually appealing, but also more intuitive to navigate. And that's it. You've successfully added an arrow to your Notion page, enhancing its visual structure. Incorporating these small changes can create a big impact on your organizational efficiency and aesthetic. Thank you for tuning in today. Hopefully, this guide has made decorating your Notion pages with arrows a seamless and straightforward task. Stay creative and organized, and I'll see you in the next video.